If I want to take the money out, I just click on transfer funds, and then I'll just either add my bank account and it goes directly into my bank. Like I said, I'm going to go check to make sure this app is not a scam. So the Wendy's here in my area happens to be listed as one of the participating merchants that we can get a rebate. So I'm just going to grab some lunch right here. So here in the app, you can see it just lists off a number of different local locations. So right there at the top is the Wendy's hamburgers. That's where I'm at. Supposedly I get 7% cash back on here. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here and grab some lunch. So one of the requirements is you have to attach your debit card or credit card to the app. And I've already done that. And that's part of the reason why I got the referral bonus. But you want to make sure that when you're in the location, you don't run it as debit, meaning don't put your PIN number in, just run it as credit. I typically run my debit card as credit anyways. As you can see, it's a Chase debit card. If you ask them to run it as credit, they won't ask for a PIN number. That is a requirement for you to be able to supposedly get this rebate. Hi, can I have a number 2, please?
Number 2 combo, small, medium, or large?
Small, please.
Okay, what kind of drink?
Coke, please.
Okay, you need to know?
That's everything.
Okay, it's going to be A61 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks. Can you please run that as credit, not debit? Great, thank you. Thanks a lot. All right, so I just left Wendy's right now. I got my number 2. So as you can see, it just came up with $8.61. So if I get 7% back, it's basically going to be 7 times 8. So less than $1 back. But we'll see if it actually goes through. Oh wow, this is actually pretty interesting. So I didn't even get a chance to open up my food and start eating my lunch yet, but I got an email from Dosh and this is what it says. You just got 60 cents for your purchase at Wendy's hamburger. So earlier how I was saying that you actually need to wait for it to post onto your credit card, it looks like you actually don't. So as soon as a transaction goes through their credit system, the refund or rebate actually goes into your Dosh account immediately. That's pretty fast. All right, today I'm going to do a review on Dosh since I found out it's not a scam. Basically, it's just a cashback app. You hook up your debit card or your credit card to it and you get it in the App Store. So right here, I'm in the App Store. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to click open. And then it brings you here to the Dosh profile page. So you got a couple of different options down here. This is the most important part right here. When you sign up for Dosh, right now they're running a promotion that if you use my code, then you get $5 once you've downloaded the app and you've attached a debit card or a credit card to this. The app doesn't cost you anything, but they need the credit card to track your purchases when you shop at a local retailer like this right here. So there is the refer button. So as you can see right here, if you invite friends, which I'm doing right now, if you use my link, which is in the description, be sure to click the description and use that link. Otherwise you may not get that promotion. You get $5 and I get $5. And all you have to do is download the app and attach your credit card. That's it. They gave me $10 each, and that was for the first 2 days. After that, it's $5 a piece. And these folks, by signing up, they got $5 in their account as well. Here's the part where you're going to enter your card. So you can see I have one card linked right here. You can add more cards. The more cards that you put in, the more chances that you would have for using that card at the store and getting a rebate. But I just put the one credit card, actually my debit card there. Here's the travel button. Supposedly if you use this app and book a hotel through there, then you get $25 into your Dosh account. I haven't done that yet. Right here on the offers, if you want to just see what's around you at this moment, what you can shop at and get a rebate, then you can just kind of scroll through here. It's just a lot of big chains, Wendy's, Papa John's, Sam's Club, but it's different depending on where you live and also which one of these merchants participate with this program. So if you want to withdraw your money, you just click right here and there's your balance. So you can donate it to charity or you can transfer funds, and here's the transactions. So I attached a credit card, then I referred a friend, I got $10. I referred another friend, I got $10. And then when I was checking to make sure this isn't a scam, I went to Wendy's and I bought something and I got 60 cents cash back. So now my balance is $25.60. If I want to take the money out, I just click on transfer funds, and then I'll just either add my bank account and it goes directly into my bank, or I can attach my PayPal and it goes directly into my PayPal. So pretty easy. So yeah, that's the Dosh app. Hopefully you liked the review and you found it useful, especially since I was a little concerned. I thought it was going to be a scam, but it actually just turns out to be a regular app, and you get a little bit of cash back. You're definitely not going to get rich on this, but you can get a couple of bucks back here and there when you shop at these particular stores that you may be shopping at anyways. If you are going to sign up, be sure to use my link in the description below. I'd appreciate it. That way I get credit and you get the promotion of however much is running at that time. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching.